Welcome to our phone comparison. Today we will look at two Samsung phones, the Galaxy A56, released in March 2025, and the Galaxy S23 FE, released in October 2023. Both phones have good features, but they are made for different users. The Galaxy A56 is newer and may have some updated parts, while the Galaxy S23 FE is from a popular S series with strong performance. We will talk about their screens, cameras, battery life, and more to help you decide which phone might be better for you. If you want to check the latest prices, you can find Amazon links in the description below. Let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy A56 and Galaxy S23 FE both have glass fronts and backs with aluminium frames, giving them a sleek and premium look. The A56 is slightly taller and wider, measuring 162.2 by 77.5 by 7.4 millimeters, while the S23 FE is a bit smaller at 158 by 76.5 by 8.2 millimeters. The A56 is also thinner, which might make it feel slimmer in the hand. In terms of weight, the A56 is lighter at 198 grams compared to the S23 FE's 209 grams, so it may feel less heavy during use. Both phones are protected against dust and water, but the S23 FE has a higher rating, meaning it can handle being underwater a bit deeper and longer. Overall, the A56 offers a lighter, slightly bigger design, while the S23 FE feels a bit sturdier and more compact. The Samsung Galaxy A56 features a larger 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a higher peak brightness of 1900 nits and an impressive 1200 nits in high brightness mode, HBM, offering excellent visibility in bright environments. It has a resolution of 1008 by 2340 pixels with a pixel density of approximately 385 ppi. Protected by the robust Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, the Galaxy A56 also supports an always-on display. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE sports a slightly smaller 6.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with the same resolution but a higher pixel density of around 403 ppi, resulting in crisper visuals. Its peak brightness reaches 1450 nits, which is lower than the A56's peak but still bright for most conditions. The S23 FE uses Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for protection and offers a slightly lower screen-to-body ratio. Overall, the A56 boasts a larger and brighter display, while the S23 FE provides sharper image quality with its higher pixel density and advanced AMOLED technology. The Samsung Galaxy A56 and Galaxy S23 FE differ significantly in performance and platform. The Galaxy A56 runs on Android 15 with One UI 7 and promises up to 6 major Android upgrades, powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset featuring an octa-core CPU with Cortex A720 and Cortex A520 cores, and the Xclipse 540 GPU. In contrast, the Galaxy S23 FE operates on Android 13 with One UI 6.1 and offers up to 4 major upgrades. It is equipped with a more powerful chipset, the Exynos 2200 internationally, or the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the USA, both built on 4nm technology. The S23 FE CPU includes Cortex X2 cores and higher clock speeds, paired with advanced GPUs, Xclipse 920 internationally, Adreno 730 in the USA, resulting in superior overall performance compared to the A56. The Samsung Galaxy A56 and Galaxy S23 FE both do not support memory card slots, meaning external storage expansion is unavailable. The Galaxy A56 offers a wider range of internal storage and memory configurations, including options of 128GB or 256GB, with varying RAM sizes of 6GB, 8GB, and even 12GB in the highest variant. It uses UFS 3.1 storage technology, ensuring fast data access. In contrast, the Galaxy S23 FE provides fewer choices, limited to 128GB or 256GB storage, paired exclusively with 8GB of RAM. While the Galaxy A56 caters to users needing more flexibility and higher RAM options. The Galaxy S23 FE simplifies choices, but still delivers solid performance. Both devices rely solely on their built-in storage without the option for memory card expansion. The Samsung Galaxy A56 and Galaxy S23 FE both feature a 50MP main wide camera with f1.8 aperture, similar sensor size, and optical image stabilization, OIS. However, the S23 FE employs dual-pixel PDAF, which generally offers faster and more accurate autofocus compared to the PDAF in the A56. The Galaxy A56 includes a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 5-megapixel macro camera, while the S23 FE replaces the macro with an 8-megapixel telephoto lens offering 3 times optical zoom and OIS, providing more versatile zoom capabilities. Both have a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, but the S23 FE's ultra-wide sensor is slightly larger. Video recording on the S23 FE is more advanced, supporting up to 8K at 24 FPS and higher frame rates in 4K and 1080p, compared to the A56's maximum 4K at 30 FPS. Overall, the S23 FE offers superior camera versatility and video performance. The Samsung Galaxy A56 features a 12-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture, capable of recording video in 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p at both 30 and 60 FPS, along with 10-bit HDR support. This setup allows for detailed selfies with good light intake and enhanced dynamic range in videos. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE has a slightly lower resolution 10-megapixel front camera with a narrower f2.4 aperture and a 25mm wide lens. However, it supports 4K video recording at both 30 and 60 FPS, 1080p at 30 and 60 FPS, and includes gyro EIS for better video stabilization. While the Galaxy A56 offers higher resolution and HDR video, the S23 FE provides smoother 4K video options and improved stabilization, making it potentially better for video selfies. The Samsung Galaxy A56 features a larger 5,000 mAh battery compared to the 4,500 mAh battery of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, offering potentially longer usage on a single charge. In terms of charging speed, the Galaxy A56 supports faster wired charging at 45 watts, capable of reaching 65% in 30 minutes and fully charging in 68 minutes. Conversely, the Galaxy S23 FE offers 25-watt wired charging with power delivery 3.0, achieving 50% charge in 30 minutes, which is slower than the A56. However, the Galaxy S23 FE provides additional convenience with 15-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging capabilities, allowing it to charge other devices wirelessly. Overall, the Galaxy A56 excels in battery capacity and wired charging speed, while the Galaxy S23 FE offers more versatile charging options. Both the Samsung Galaxy A56 and the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE offer solid features that cater to different needs. The Galaxy A56 stands out with its great battery life and a good display, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. On the other hand, the Galaxy S23 FE offers a more powerful processor and better camera performance, which is ideal for users who want a bit more speed and photography options. Ultimately, your choice should depend on what matters most to you, whether it's longer battery life or enhanced performance. Don't forget to check the Amazon links in the description for the latest prices and deals.